So I'd like to start with Divesh. Divesh, there are a lot of questions which have come in to us from all the registered participants. So what is the future? How do you look at technology to go forward? How are the consumers changing? So if you could start with an opening comment, please.
Thank you, Samitji. Thank you so much for organizing this webinar. I think it's very important for every retailers to know how to use the technology. I think in today's age, technology use करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए ये सवाल नहीं है. What is the right technology we should use to increase the sales and increase the brand popularity? So what we have seen, especially when we work with larger retailers across India, that nowadays the consumerism has changed because we are targeting a millennial generation who are very tech savvy, who are smartphone users, and the whole world is on their palm. So most of the retailers are, when we are speaking, some people are saying that business is not good, business is bad, but we need to realize that in last 10 years, the organized retail has grown by about 4 times, 4 to 5 times, So which says that somewhere something which they are doing it to increase their brand visibility by using digital platform is working from them. Also, we have recently, when we have done some market research, we realized that not only in metro cities, the younger generation has an aspiration. Even in a tier 1 and tier 2 cities like a Ratlam or Agra, we are seeing that more than 20% people on digital platform, they are following the top designers in India and all the premium and luxury brands across the world. This says that the aspiration is at different level. And we need to accept that fact that today's consumers, because of the digital social media and digital platforms and smartphones, the whole world, they know what is happening in the fashion, what is happening in the trend, what is happening in the jewelry. So many jewelers are saying that today's brides, when they step into their stores, they come with a picture. Okay, I wanted to see this kind of jewelry. That means discovery has already been done on the digital platform. So if you are not there, then you are not visible. And also today's customer are moving from transactional to more of a experiential retail. So we have seen a generation when people used to come into the stores and they wanted to buy, and there was a conversion rate was about 80-90%. But today's consumer are moving from one store to another stores to look at what is the right product for them, which store will provide them the experience, and that is a place they are buying it. So most of the jewelers, when we look at their average age of consumers, those who have been struggling in their growth, their age is more than 45. So most of the older generation. So what people called as my mom's jewelers, and the progressive jewelers have seen a younger generation walking in their stores. So I believe that whether jewelry will sustain, younger generation will buy, I don't see that is a challenge, but I believe that two things: use the technology to speak about your brand and use the technology to improve the consumer experience. Sumitji, I will give you some of the examples that in recently during the lockdown, many family jewelers has unlocked their brand and started social e-commerce and started putting their jewelry on a e-commerce sales. You will be surprised that even though their transactions are not as high as CaratLane or Bluestone, but what they have realized that there are from a different city, a jewelers in Bombay is getting attraction from South, and customers are flying from Bangalore, Chennai, and all the other places in Bombay to buy a wedding jewelry. So that means using the technology, you are no more a local jewelers or a street jewelers or a catchment or a city jewelers. You become a jewelers to the world. So I believe that it's a time when we all have learned during lockdown that how to use the technology. Today we are doing Zoom webinar. I believe that that is how the world has moved on. So I believe this is a right platform for people to understand how we can use the technology. I believe we have an expert panel over there. We're going to speak about all the different features which can be used by the jewelers and retailers to improve their sales by 3x. What you said is right. 3x is possible. And after lockdown also, many people are saying that jewelry sales are lower, but we have seen good retailers has restored their sales to 100% volume of the last year. So I believe that it's all about how you evolve your business. Thank you so much, Samitji. And all the best to all the panelists who are there and we're going to present and speak about the technology.
Great, great. Meghna, now you'd like you to present. You have lots of questions from our registered participants, from Ramit Kapoor, from Izara Diamonds, to Harshita Savu, who's joined us from P. Manoharlal Luxury Jewelers from Hyderabad, Uday Sanghi from Sanghi Jewelers, Hyderabad, Achyutadanda Meher from Bhubaneswar, Arundhati Jewelers, from Vishal Bamalwa from Kolkata. So there's a list of questions which you already have. You have been given these questions. I'm sure you will going to answer them. And one of the most common question is how to incorporate Mirar in our current software. So can you please share your thoughts and presentation with us?
Sure. Thank you so much, Samit, for having me as a part of your wonderful panel. Totally delighted to be here. Um, Before answering this question, and which is a very interesting question, what I would like to highlight is that we are living in a different era right now. We are living in a world of technology. I mean, we are all sitting here virtually. In an ideal scenario, we would be attending retail jewelry forum in Bombay and being a part of your panel. But look where we are. We are on a Zoom call doing a webinar, and all of us still with the same enthusiasm, etc. So what one has to understand is that the world is moving, it's changing with technology, and it's for the good. 8 months back when lockdown happened, I think a lot of people did not know a way to get out of it. Also, we did not know how long it's going to go on for. What we realized is immersive experiences like augmented reality and virtual reality are going to take over the world when you look at retail. So a jeweler does not need to physically open store when he's not able to, or wait for sales to happen when only someone walks into to their store anymore. I mean, it's become so simple now that through technology, people will be able to try on jewelry sitting at the comfort of their houses. Through artificial intelligence, jewelers can actually figure out that what kind of audience like what kind of jewelry in what part of the world. So as Devesh said, the world is your audience. You're no more restricted to a particular village, state, city, or country. So very happy to firstly answer your question, which is how to integrate Mirar. It's absolutely simple. I think one of the most uh, biggest challenge that we have faced is hesitation from people to start using technology. So if if the intent is to be that progressive and start using it, I think one of the first and foremost thing to start using Mirar is to digitize inventory. And when we started 2 years back, we realized that digitization was not, it wasn't in vogue, it wasn't popular. Now people are looking at digitization. So one of the most important thing is to digitize your inventory and digitize in the best way. So when I talk to a lot of people feel photography cost is high, but you have to understand, if your jewelry is worth a couple of lakhs and your photography cost is a few thousand, then it's worth it. So please shoot your pictures, digitize your inventory in the best way, so that आपका जो प्रोडक्ट दिखता है ना, उससे ज्यादा अच्छा जब वो ऑनलाइन रहे तो दिखना चाहिए. Because only then, when I'm seeing something online and I like it, I would want to buy it. So once your jewelry is digitized, it can be added in the Mirar software in 2 clicks, and there you go. You can use it in your website, so you can integrate it with any of your website or apps. People who don't have a website, आपकी जो सारी inventory है, the minute you digitize it, it can be converted into a page with your customized banner. You can send it to anyone across the world, and people can start trying on your jewelry, make purchases, inquire it, and just buy it. So integrated Mirar is as simple as adding a 2 line of code like a Google Analytics. तो अगर आपने अपनी वेबसाइट में या कहीं पर भी Google Analytics लगाया है, जो बहुत सिंपल है, that is how Mirar is that's how simple it is.
Great, great. So can we show your film? Film for Mirar now, yes.
For your in-store, Mirar can be installed in an iPad, and you can digitize your inventory to make your customers try on jewelry virtually. The better your photography quality is, the better your experience will be. Your customers will be able to make selections, wish list jewelry, try on virtually, and even share with friends and family for their views. In the world of post-COVID, all of us are worried about sanitization and social distancing. I am sure even you are. This is the best contactless experience you can give your customers while they are in your store. What about your customers who are sitting in different parts of the world, or are the ones who are hesitant to step out of their houses due to pandemic? It's very simple. You can still make them try on your jewelry from the comfort of their houses through their laptops or mobile phones. Mirar can be seamlessly integrated in your website or your mobile apps. You can also choose to share a particular design or your entire new collection with your customers on WhatsApp or Facebook and make them try your jewelry through Mirar app.
So I would now like to share with you a brief presentation on Mirar, where I can show you briefly about transformation of technology over the decades, how Mirar is useful to jewelers, the value proposition, and how it can be integrated both in the online and offline space. I'll just share my screen to show you the product. So we are actually revolutionizing the jewelry shopping experience through augmented reality. And our vision is to create world-class experience where jewelers are able to show more and more inventory to their customers, create an experience for customers who are sitting at home, for the customers who are in the stores. They'll be able to have access to more designs than what is actually available in the store. Apart from this, also give customers a great experience. So when a customer walks in, they have to look for multiple options that they're looking to buy, wear every piece, etc. But whereas if the first version can always be a virtual try on, then people have it's a convenient for people to just shortlist and then see how it works for them. So I'll also take you through transition of retail over a decade, and I think this is extremely interesting. So we have seen that how till year 2010 we were in an era of brick and mortar stores where every product that you have to buy, you would have to visit a store, see it, touch it, and any product that's only available could be bought. Then came the era of e-commerce, where all these products were listed on internet and people could browse it, see it, actually make an order and purchase it. Today we are in an era of AR commerce, where experiential shopping exists. Immersive experiences have really taken over the world. And now imagine everything that you see on the website as listings can be virtually tried on by people who are sitting across the world, just from the comfort of their devices. And it can be whether it is a iPhone, Android, tablets, or even your desktop. So this is how technology has evolved over decades. And when we introduce Mirar, it's an augmented reality tech platform for the jewelry industry, where consumers will be able to virtually try on and experience how the product looks. So one of the most drawback for especially online shopping is that people don't understand how the product is going to look on them, whether it is the sizing, whether it is the face cut, etc., whether it looks good on you or not. Through augmented reality, we try to diminish that gap, where people will be able to at least see and imagine how it can look on you. Some of the most important value propositions for Mirar is, one is the in-store solution, where it helps jewelers to show much larger inventory to customers than what is existingly there in the stores and create a world-class experience. Jewelers can also create zero inventory stores. So imagine if you want to have your presence on an airport or at a mall, places where more footfalls come, but your brand is not there. And that is when Mirar's presence, where you digitize your entire inventory, create a kiosk with your branding, and give customers that experience of trying your brand. So that can be done through zero inventories way. Through Mirar, you can also get a lot of business insights. So when a person when a person looks at Mirar, it also captures your face. And through our face recognition technology, people will be able to identify, jewelers can identify that what is it that your customers are liking. So on the basis of smiles, on the basis of frown, what age group, which geolocation, so what are your top 5 or top 10 jewelry. So insights, detailed insights are very, very critical for any retailer, because if you are able to, through data, if you are able to understand your customers and able to constantly give them the kind of things that they are looking at every time they come back, the sales are going to be quicker. So yes, this also helps jewelers optimize their inventory. So for example, if a jeweler knows which part of the country, which kind of jewelry is a fast moving selling item, that is the kind of jewelry they'll be keeping in that area more. So it optimizes the entire inventory management system. And also this makes you understand your customers in a much seamless manner. uh, Through these data, you can also identify intelligently what is it that your customers like, and that is when you can approach towards intelligent product recommendation. So for example, if I have wish list something multiple times, or if I have put it in my cart, uh, it's very obvious that that's the kind of jewelry I like. Next time when I come, you can show me or recommend me a similar kind of jewelry. So that is when intelligent product recommendations come into picture. Online integration is something that we have seen as a game changer for the retail. uh, as I had mentioned earlier, imagine everything that is there on online, if it has a try on button, and people, your customers sitting at their home, can try on every single piece that's there on your website, on your app. That's going to be a great experience for them. So how do you get started? And I think this is one question that everyone asks us, that how do we start? Um, there is a fear of technology, as I keep saying, amongst a lot of people. So here I've tried to put down and share with you that how easy and simple it is to integrate augmented reality. So one of the most important thing is that create a digital vault. Now, what is a digital vault? Every product that you have, right, with you, you store it in a vault, whether it is your tijori, whether it's something in your store which you lock it, etc. So create a digital vault. And to have a digital vault, you will have to digitize your inventory. Now, how do you digitize your inventory? It's very simple. We have a simple format where we need 2D images, just front angle of your jewelry at an eye level. So for earrings, it should be straight at an eye level and transparent background. For necklaces, it should be short on a neck dummy, so that the contour of the neck comes, and when a person tries it, they also see it on their neck. Everything should be shot on at an eye level, so that पर्सपेक्टिव उसका खराब नहीं हो, जब कोई ट्राई करे तो वो उसी एंगल में ट्राई कर सके. So the minute you create a digital vault where you digitize and take pictures of all your inventory that you want to convert into AR. Now the first step is done the minute you take photography. The second step is to add data. आपकी ज्वेलरी अगर इतनी बड़ी है एंड अगर उसका साइज इतना छोटा दिखाएंगे, so then customers again will get confused. So when you are adding data, you just have to add the dimensions. That means the of the length of the earrings. इससे क्या होता है, जिस साइज का आपका ज्वेलरी है उसी साइज में जब कोई देखेगा वर्चुअली, तो वो अपने आप को देख पाएगा. The third is when it is about rings and bracelets. So there are two ways how we do it. Till now we only used to work on 2D. Now we also do 3D. उसमें क्या होता है, it's not just the front angle that you see, but every time when I move my ears, or if I'm moving my hand, the bracelets can move from front to back. And for these we need 3D files. So अगर आपके पास CAD files है, so then that's great. Or else even 360-degree photography works perfectly fine. Okay. For 2D bracelets and rings, there is a very simple format where you take picture from the top angle. So you add these data with these photography requirement and add it to Mirar, and that is it. So it's a 3-step process that can be integrated at any point, and you are ready to start using Mirar. Now Mirar can be used in your websites and mobile apps. So अगर आपके पास वेबसाइट है या मोबाइल ऐप है, तो आपके हर प्रोडक्ट के नीचे या हर प्रोडक्ट के साथ आप एक ट्राई नाउ का बटन दे सकते हैं, जिससे जब वो आपका कस्टमर ट्राई नाउ पे क्लिक करेगा तो फ्रंट कैमरा चालू हो जाएगा एंड वो सेम ज्वेलरी अपने ऊपर देख सकता है. ये इट कैन बी इंटीग्रेटेड टू एनी वेबसाइट. आपकी वेबसाइट किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे बनी हुई हो, शॉपिफाई, मैजेंटो, वर्डप्रेस, एनीथिंग एट ऑल. सपोज करिए आपके पास वेबसाइट नहीं है. इफ यू डोंट हैव अ वेबसाइट, we have a great way for you, where You digitize your entire inventory. We give you a page with your customized banner, and that is it. You're good to go. उससे आप वो पेज अपने किसी भी कस्टमर्स को अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड दे सकते हैं और वो आपकी ज्वेलरी वर्चुअली ट्राई करके आपको बता सकते हैं उसको क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं पसंद है. जैसा कि इसमें लिखा है, प्रोसेस इज वेरी इजी, एज आई सेड अर्लियर, डिजिटाइज इन्वेंट्री, वेरी क्रिटिकल. और मैं एक और चीज बताना चाहूंगी. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि फोटोग्राफी में इन्वेस्ट करना इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, having good photography is going to result in the best experience. So please ensure that आपकी जो photo quality है वो crisp हो, blur नहीं हो, sharpness हो उसमें, and it's मतलब वो जो real आपका jewelry piece दिख रहा है ना उससे ज़्यादा better दिखनी चाहिए. Yes, digitize inventory, add to Mirar, and one-click integration. On an average, it can take less than 2 hours to integrate Mirar to your website or mobile. When it comes to offline, it is an app that can be installed on your iPad, and किसी भी store में, exhibition में, या आप zero inventory store setup बना सकते हैं with n number of inventory. तो आप कहीं पर भी जाइए, सिर्फ उस iPad के through लोग कितनी भी jewelry try on करवा सकते हैं. As you see in this picture, the iPad is mirrored to a much larger screen. Now, when you want to create a world-class experience where, you want your customers to see things in big, that is when you can have really big screens, that is TV screens. कोई भी smart TV screen लेंगे आप और HDMI cable से उसको connect कर देंगे या फिर internet के through mirror your iPad to your TV and you're good to go. I just want to show you a couple of numbers when it comes to our traction. Currently, Mirar holds around 1 lakh unique designs ready for try on with 200 plus jewelers across the globe. We have 2 lakh try-ons per month. And the reason I'm telling you this is, जितना लोग try करते हैं, उतना machine learning के through हमारा system better होता है. Because we have the highest number of jewelers with the highest number of inventory, our system is constantly learning. And that is the reason you will find that Mirar will give you the best ever AR experience on this planet. So, yeah, and we also have 3 patents. So everything that you see at Mirar is built in India by our team that's sitting in Gurgaon. And I feel extremely proud of the fact that we've built a product for India, from India, for the global world right now. These are some of our clients, and some of the top jewelers in the industry believes in Mirar, and I'll be really happy to work with all of you. You can actually point your camera to this QR code and try some of the jewelries from your phone. Now I'm going to take you through a website by Hazorilal Legacy, and you can see that how every product that is there can be tried on virtually. Let me just share my screen and show you the product. So if you click on the try on button, which is right on the banner, every product that you see here and click on it, you will see a try on button here. Now every product of Hazorilal Legacy is virtual try on enabled. So when you click on the try on, you see this beautiful set has come on my face. And now when I come closely, I can see the quality of the jewelry. I can move my face and see how it looks on me. So this is the camera mode where a person can try on jewelry in real time. Okay. Then there is a gallery mode. In the gallery mode, there is a model. And when you click on the product, you can see how the product will look on the model. So you can just click on as many pictures, as many products, and see how it looks on her. Then there is a studio mode that will make you zoom the pictures and see more clarity. So when it is about jewelry, everyone wants to see how clear the images are. And this is going to be great for the consumers to be able to see jewelry very, very clearly, zoomed in, etc. Now, the similar thing can be done for earrings, necklaces, and sets. So you have seen how sitting at my home, I can try these jewelry, these beautiful pieces from Hazurilal Legacy.
Yeah. And Meghna, you'd like to, there are many clients you are dealing with in India. Can you just share some numbers?
Yeah, so when we started, it took us almost 6 months to get 10 clients because what we realized is that jewelry is our people were not very keen on adapting to new technology. There is a comfort zone that we all have, so to break that it take some time. But what was a really transformation for us was when Tanishq had put Mirar at two airports in India, which was in Delhi and Bangalore. And that is when I think that everyone else looked up to it. Today, we are working with 250 jewelers across the world. We are working with some of the top jewelers in the country, like Tanishq, Kalyan Jewelers, Senco, Hazurilal Legacy. We are working with a lot of jewelers in tier 3, tier 4 cities. And I feel proud to now see that how we are a part of the whole vision of Narendra Modi, which is Digital India. So we are contributing in converting a sector into digital and to be able to enable jewelers to be able to sell. Yesterday, and I just want to share a very short story. So yesterday, I for the first time ever, I spoke to one of our clients, that's Saket from Ratnalaya Jeweler. Uh, just wanted to check with him on his experience with Mirar and the kind of feedback that I got. Ratnalaya Jeweler is based out of Patna, and I did not know so many positive things about Mirar probably that he shared it with me. And that is when I requested him to, say a couple of words for us at this panel. And I'm going to share that with you.
So, besides having an in-store device, now our website is more of a catalog website. But lockdown में हमने मिरार के साथ we collaborate with them, and they've come up with a mechanism where any customer can try any of our designs virtually on our website. So now that is very important because आज की डेट में हम एक ऐसे टाइम में आ गए हैं जहाँ कस्टमर्स हमारे पास नहीं आएंगे. वी हैव टू रीच आवर कस्टमर्स, वी हैव टू रीच टू आवर कस्टमर्स either probably by opening new stores or probably having our brand presence through Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media handles, or maybe through virtual jewelry try on. I mean, we need to have different touch points जो कि हमारे brand experience को customers तक communicate, convey कर सके. So I think they have done a wonderful job, and I am very proud to be associated with a company like Mirar.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that, Meghna. And I'm sure you will do very, very well. Can you please also talk about the offer for all the webinar participants and the registered users?
Yes. So our vision at Mirar is to enable every jeweler to be able to try technology. What we realized is that immersive technology is very intuitive. So लोग ना थोड़ा डर जाते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के नाम से. कुछ लोग they want to adapt it, and there are some people who are scared of it. So my request to firstly all of you is don't be scared of technology. Technology is the future. Adapt it, embrace it. As a part of our contribution to the jewelry industry, uh, having a vision of becoming a global brand and enabling every jeweler to start using technology, we realize that it's very important that you start using technology without thinking अच्छा मुझे कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा, what is going to be the cost, हमारा ROI क्या होगा. Use it. Start seeing results, see the ROI for yourself, measure the KPIs, and then you can pay it. So for all the people who are here at the webinar, we have a freemium offer. So you can start using Mirar for up to 50 to 100 jewelry without any cost at all, at a 0 rupee cost. My only request and my only last word is start it, try it. Once you start using technology, you will see how revolutionizing it is. You will see how your business is going to scale. You will see how you are transforming your business from wherever you started to wherever we can reach. And this is happening. Technology is evolving across the globe, and I feel proud of the fact that India has the highest number of jewelers that's using immersive experience technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality. So be a part of this revolutionizing journey and start using Mirage.
ग्रेट, थैंक यू वेरी मच मेघना. सचिन वर्मा जी, आप टायर 2 से और टायर 3 जहां से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, आपने कहा कि आप अभी भी श्योर नहीं है कि टायर 2 टायर 3 सिटी में कस्टमर जहां लैक्स ऑन ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं, क्या वो मिरार को यूज करेंगे. बट जैसे हम सुन रहे हैं कि ये ऑलरेडी 220 ज्वेलर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, काफी छोटे शहरों जैसे पटना, आगरा, मदुरई, लखनऊ और बरेली और पूना, ऐसे सारे शहरों में ये यूज किया जा रहा है. शोरूम में भी यूज किया जा रहा है, आउटसाइड शोरूम में भी यूज किया जा रहा है. तो इसको अब इंटरनेट का पेनिट्रेशन बहुत बढ़ गया है भारत में, और सारे लोग एक साथ नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं और फेसबुक यूज करते हैं और इंस्टाग्राम यूज करते हैं. तो ये बहुत दुनिया छोटा हो गया है. ये पैंडेमिक में तो और छोटा हो गया है. इनफैक्ट पूरा दुनिया ही एक जगह पे आ चुकी है. तो ये आप जरूर ट्राई कीजिए और आपको इससे बहुत अच्छा बेनिफिट मिलेगा. So moving on to our next panelist, Vinny Ajmera, who is going to talk about the online training. I would like Divesh to just give his 2 bits on how training as a subject has changed and what is online training all about now.
All right. Thank you, Samit ji. I think this subject is very close to my heart since I manage retail for the India as one of the most reputed brand for about 20 years. And today also when we are consulting and advising retailers, more than 100 point of sales, we realize one thing. That today you walk into any fashion store, which is selling a product of 2,000, 5,000 and 10,000, the quality of staff what they recruit and the amount of effort what they give to train those staff to ensure that the customer gets a right experience. I think as a jewelers, we all have to learn that yes, people, consumers, those who are walking in the stores, they wanted to meet the owner, but they always ask for the discount. They never ask owners to come and show me the jewelry or understand my need. So all this happens at the counter, across the counter with your sales executives or the sales people. So I think if those guys are trained, then your customer can pick and choose the right product. They will become your brand ambassador. They will come back and again to your stores. So training a team or training a people is something which is very, very important. और सेकेंड ट्रेनिंग एक होता है कि हमने टिक बॉक्स कर दिया, हमने ट्रेन कर दिया, बट ऑल्सो वी नीड टू इंश्योर दैट द एग्जीक्यूशन हैपेंस और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हैपेंस. I think the digital training platforms will fulfill those all gaps. And I believe I know Winnie from long time. She's an international speaker. She has been on TED. She's a motivational speaker. She has done a lot of webinars and seminars for the corporate. She's the best author. I think she's one of the best person whom I met. She understood the requirement and she has curated this entire digital training program. So I'll not waste with more time, and I'll request Winnie to share the entire model of she has curated for gems and jewelry retail, especially for luxury retail.
Thank you so much, Devesh, for that lovely introduction, and thank you, Samit, for having me over at this webinar. Yes, a very good morning to everyone who's listening. So I always believe that, having worked across several, segments and countries, to be honest, internationally and nationally, the one thing I know is that अगर हमें काम करवाना है तो जिससे करवाना है उनके लिए easy करना चाहिए. Whatever you want, if you want work done, it always helps अगर हम हमारे stakeholders की life easy करें. So for me, when I started, I've like Devesh said, we've been associated for a while, and I've obviously done a lot of training even within the jewelry retail industry. The one question that kept coming was that training is great and people feel great about it. They've understood everything, but sustain kaise kare? So there was always that challenge. And funnily enough, like last year, we started thinking, how can we address this challenge for our people? And like Devesh said, that the discount starts right from the time the person comes. They want to know how much discount they are getting. I feel today, wo jo no like or trust factor hai, it's become more important than ever. So even if customers come and you tell them that here's the value, I think today discount becomes secondary and like a word, but if they trust you, they will take any high priced item also, so long as you have earned the no part, which is that they know you enough. The like part, they like you enough to know that you're doing great jewelry, you're doing great products, you have great service. And then they trust you to then say that, hey, if there is an X cost and I'm giving you X minus 1, they will trust you. So that's essentially where the whole training came in. But where I come in is I started thinking, what do I do for my clients, right? Which is all of you. So we started thinking of onboarding this whole thing on technology, because the one problem I felt retailers were constantly facing was, how do we extract so many people from the store for a training program for a whole day? और इनके साथ ये चैलेंज भी होता था कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दे नीड टू लर्न, और सीखते भी है। विल की प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, मैंने देखा है स्टाफ में, अगर हम उनको सिखाएंगे तो दे डिलीवर वेरी वेल। इट्स द स्किल इशू। सो वी सेड व्हाई नॉट onboard technology, onboard training with technology. And I always believe that technology came about to make our life easy. So why not figure out how can we use technology to make training and dissemination, or ye jo what Devesh spoke of, customer service, that customer engagement better. So that's how we started creating the platform. And today I can safely say that it has so many things that a brand can make use of. कि हमारी हम किस तरह से हमारे staff को engage कर सकते हैं, train कर सकते हैं. Also, how do we monitor their progress? All of those things. So before I talk more, I want to show you what the product now looks like. When you're looking at it, it's available in English and in Hindi, because I appreciate hamare country mein Hindi is very, very important. And so we've also created this in Hindi. And I think that's the beauty of technology. When you identify geographies, bahut time nahi lagta. You just want to create something really nice, really solid, taki jo hamare staff hai, they can start delivering the right kind of customer service and sales value to generate our business outcomes and revenues. So I'm going to just share a little video to show you what the platform looks like, and then I'll come back and speak to you. So here's when you log in. If you are logged into the course, you start your course. And I'll just let you listen to one bit of the clip. जिस मौके और क्षण पे एक कस्टमर आपके ब्रांड के साथ परिचित होता है, उस हर क्षण में आप एक कस्टमर को ये दिखा सकते हैं कि वो आपके लिए कितना महत्वपूर्ण है। Here's where you will find all the modules. हो सकती है पेपर में, मैगजीन में. They can go on full screen. These are the tests, so we've tried to keep them engaging because हमारे staff को भी लगना चाहिए it's like a game. These are very simple exercise sheets, सिर्फ उनको नोट करने के लिए उनके साथ, and this is also a part of the video program, but so that they can make their own notes. चपट के भी नहीं जाना है, भले ही आपका इरादा उनको इंतजार कराने का ना हो जाना, पूरी बात सुनने से. So here the idea was that why not show them what looks right? Why not show them, when you're talking about something as simple as barriers to listening, और हम सब लोग guilty है इस बारे में कि काफी बार हम बात करते हैं और हमारा इधर उधर ध्यान भटकता है. सो लिटिल थिंग्स हमने फिर उसको थोड़ा सा रोल प्ले करके दिखाया है ताकि वो रिलेट भी कर सके, व्हिच हैज बिकम अ लॉट मोर इफेक्टिव देन ले ही कुछ सोच लेना कि कस्टमर क्या कहने वाले हैं, या फिर ध्यान भटकना, जैसे कि कस्टमर से बात करते वक्त बार-बार कहीं और देखना, या and it's like I said, it's also available in English, and there's full screen. They can adjust the speed, so they have all of that, almost the same features as you would get even on YouTube. Customers expect service to be at the same level as the creations the brands are promoting. Needless to say, here's all the different elements of the course. Consultants who are crucial in delivering the value and wow shopping experience to the customer. A round shape to look closer to the ideal oval face shape, you can do two things. The earrings, we can have long drops like this. And then this is the part where you can actually track progress, analyze, and figure out how much retention is happening, how much video they have seen, if they have any concern. And this allows them to learn it gradually. वरना क्या होता था, एक दिन में सब कुछ सीख लिया, there is euphoria, and then sustainability के लिए we speak of refreshers and audits, but हम सब जानते हैं वो फिर होता नहीं है. We have big plans and then we can't get our staff to come out, but here they can learn one chapter at a time over a number of days determined by the brand. Each brand can decide. I don't advise more than 6 days, of course, कि एक chapter भी कर ले. So then what happens is एक chapter उनके अंदर retention हो जाता है, and there is no initial euphoria of everything or too much information. So that's what I bring to the table with technology. I've decided to augment this with your efforts, that आप अपने staff को कैसे empower करेंगे to be able to deliver better service and consistent service. You know, आपका हैदराबाद में जो शोरूम है और औरंगाबाद में जो शोरूम है, आप कैसे इंश्योर करेंगे कि दोनों के सर्विसेज वैल्यूज राइट जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज समटाइम्स ट्रेनर्स बदल जाते हैं, लैंग्वेज बदल जाती है. सो दिस टेक्स केयर ऑफ ऑल दोस कंसिस्टेंसीज and staff can learn at their own time.
Great, Vinny. Thank you very much for that insightful presentation. You know, and lot of questions flowing in. I have Deepak Seth from SK Seth Mumbai. I have Raktim Das from Panna Diamond World Kolkata and Bangladesh. They have 10 stores in Bangladesh, 1 store in Calcutta. We have Vivekanand Prabhu from Kozhikode, VNM Diamond. And many more people, you know, many more retailers who have joined in are asking कि क्या हम ये training कितने घंटे का होता है और how long does it take to do this training?
Total video length is literally less than an hour and a half, which means जो 6 chapters की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, which are divided into 23 lessons, it's literally only that much. And then थोड़े reflection sheets है, quiz है बहुत, जो हर एक chapter के बाद एक थोड़ा understanding, the test you're learning समझ में आया कि नहीं. And like I said, it's in both the languages. You have the, you know, in English also, and even the quiz, the written language is Hindi. So I think total, even in 3 hours, the course can be done, but you can do 1 chapter in a day, and that would not even take you like 20 minutes of commitment to do 1 sit through. And you can keep going back to it to register. So like you saw last में वो face shape guidelines था. Now maybe that is something you want to see again and again so that you get that right when your customers come. So you can go back to that chapter and then see it. So it empowers our staff कि एक दिन में मुझे सब नहीं समझना है. I can go back, I can refer, and I can better my craft at selling.
Very nice, very nice, Vinny ji. We also have Rahul Bamalwa from Nemichand Bamalwa and Sons. We have Mohak Gupta from Lucknow Raj Jewelers. We have Abhineet Agarwal from Bajnath Ramkishore Kanpur. All of them are asking this. You know, Vineet Vasa from Rajkot. So all of them are asking that, you know, this entire training, how does it help in increasing our retail sales? So I want to share because I've been also into training, and Divesh, you can just come in here also. कि हमने देखा है कि जब भी स्टाफ ट्रेंड होता है और उसको जितना हम रेगुलरली ट्रेनिंग देते हैं और उनको रिवाइज होते रहता है और उनको लाइव सेशन दिखता है, तब उनको बहुत ये याद रहता है कि किस तरह से कस्टमर हैंडल करना है, क्योंकि आज का जो कस्टमर है ये बहुत जल्दी बदल रहा है और वो बहुत डिजिटल savvy है. सो उनको किस तरह से मैनेज करना है उसके भी तरीके और जो ways and means है वो भी बहुत बदल रहे हैं. Divesh, if you can add on something because there are a lot of questions flowing in now.
I'll give you a small example के मैंने ज्वेलरी का रिटेल वैसे भी देखा है जहाँ पे कस्टमर आके बैठता है और सामने आप 50-100 ट्रे एक ट्रे दूसरा ट्रे रखते जाओ और आप सोचो कि कस्टमर एक्सपर्ट है वो सिलेक्ट कर लेगा. आज के दिन में जब कस्टमर शोरूम में आता है तो वो जानना चाहता है कि मेरे लिए क्या राइट है, विच प्रोडक्ट विल फिट मी, विच प्रोडक्ट विल हेल्प मी टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल, विच प्रोडक्ट विल एड वैल्यू टू माय ओकेजन. सो आई थिंक जब तक ये एक कंप्लीटली फ्रॉम ए सेलिंग बिकम्स ए मोर कंसल्टेटिव. सो अगर स्टाफ वेल ट्रेन है आप कस्टमर को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. आई हैव सीन ए टाइम व्हेन कन्वर्जन रेट इन द शोरूम वाज अबाउट 85-90%. टुडे दैट हैज ड्रॉप्ड टू अबाउट 50-60%. That clearly indicates that customers are more demanding, they are more knowledge, they are more powerful in their knowledge, they knows what exactly will look nice on them. So only what they are expecting is assisting them, and also they wanted to see the value for money what they are going to spend in your. So I believe unless your people are not well trained, they will not be able to deliver this. So training is very, very important for retail frontline staff.
And Vinny has tremendous experience in training and also customer service. जैसे आपने प्रोफाइल में जरूर पढ़ा होगा before you came for the webinar because we had promoted it. She comes from background in airlines, from some of the best airlines like Jet Airways, Singapore Airlines and Virgin Atlantic. और उन्होंने एसआर ग्रुप के लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा आर्ट्स एंड लर्निंग का एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट किया था. और उसके बाद वो ज्वेलरी में आए हैं और ज्वेलरी में दिवेश शाह ने उनको बहुत हेल्प किया है उनके 25 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के साथ कि एक ज्वेलर्स में रिटेल में कैसे इसको किया जाए और पूरा प्रोसेस को डेवलप किया गया है. बट जैसे यहाँ हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं मनसुख कोठारी जो एक बहुत बड़े गोल्ड के होलसेलर हैं, या दीपक सेठ जी जो होलसेलर है, या श्वेता एंड प्रकाश धनक फ्रॉम विजय एक्सपोर्ट्स जो जुड़े हुए हैं, या वैभव सेठ फ्रॉम ज्वेलेक्स जो आप देख रहे हैं, इवन फॉर B2B. और आपने काफी रिक्वेस्ट किया कि क्या हम कर सकते हैं B2B. हमारे स्टाफ के लिए भी बहुत जरूरत है ये, क्योंकि आपका स्टाफ हर दिन रिटेलर से बात करते हैं और रिटेलर्स के लिए स्टाफ के साथ भी बात करते हैं, तो उनको अच्छे से ट्रेन करेंगे तो जरूर आपको फायदा होगा. सो प्लीज वी विल बी शेयरिंग ऑल द कॉन्टैक्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द पैनलिस्ट आफ्टर द जस्ट आफ्टर द वेबिनार राइट एट द एंड, लास्ट 5 minutes. So wait for those contacts to be shared here and you can call them out directly. Now we move on to our next panelist, Mr. Harisha M, who comes from Edacquire. एडेक्वेयर जो नाम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है, मैंने उनको पूछा अभी 1 महीने पहले कि एडेक्वेयर का नाम का मतलब क्या होता है, तो उन्होंने कहा ये एडेक्वेयर का मतलब होता है कि सबसे एडेक्वेट सॉफ्टवेयर और इंफोटेक कंपनी है दुनिया का, स्पेशली ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए। ये जो कंपनी है, ये कंपनी ने बहुत इन्वेस्ट किया है जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी के लिए पिछले 20 सालों में। 2001 में ये फाउंड हुआ था वर्जीनिया अमेरिका में, बट इनका पूरा डेवलपमेंट सेंटर हैदराबाद बेस्ड है और थोड़ा बॉम्बे में भी है। बट हैदराबाद में जो 750 लोग काम करते हैं उसमें से 350 लोग खाली जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए काम करते हैं। और ये दुनिया के काफी बड़े बड़े ज्वेलर्स के लिए उनका सारा वेबसाइट और ई कॉमर्स और सोशल मीडिया के लिए भी ये पूरा उनको ऑनलाइन लेके गए हैं। कुछ कंपनीज जैसे है गोल्डस्मिथ लंदन में, जो 100 दुकानें का बहुत बड़ा रिटेल चेन है, या हाई होल्डन जो अमेरिका का कंपनी है, जिनके जो खाली 14 प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में वेडिंग बैंड्स अमेरिका में बेचते हैं, और पिछले साल इनके ई कॉमर्स के हेल्प से 400 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया है। सो यू कैन इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी जो इन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है। 15 से 20 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट इनके प्लेटफॉर्म में, जो आज ये हमें प्रेजेंट करेंगे और हमें दिखाएंगे कि किस तरह से हम इसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं हमारे बिजनेस में। सो हरीशा, कैन यू प्लीज स्टार्ट योर प्रेजेंटेशन एंड शेयर how people can come on board with Adequare?
Sure. Thanks for the nice intro, Samantha. So very good morning to all. I'm very happy to be on this stage. Yeah, as I mentioned, so being a pioneer in cutting edge data product and solution and engineering technology from last 20 years. So Adequare work on the core values, innovate and automate. So these are the two driving forces of Adequare since it comes to the existence. And here with that, we have a spectrum of products. Let me share my presentation so that we'll go over the points. Yes, so with this 20 years, our world is recognized Adequare for the enterprise set of softwares, what it have for a wide range of industries and the segments. And we do have a lot of service offerings as well. So now we have very good reputation in working with government of India and government of US in the GSTN and the real estate of US data as well. So these are for just to give an outline. So these are the set of products which we are known in the market. So we have spectrum of product, as I mentioned. We have ERPs, accounting software, POS application, fixed asset management, data engineering, and business process automation, B2B e-commerce, B2C e-commerce, and the service offerings like so e-way bill, GST filing systems, and e-invoicing, as we all know from January 1st, 2021, for any company who have revenue more than 100 crores, e-invoicing is must. And in this e-invoicing, we are leaders. So we have more than 10% of India entire market share. So we are having very good the grip on the service levels as well. So the main and the most important part which brought us here is a Listini, that is a B2C e-commerce solution. So instead I am calling Listini as an e-commerce solution. I will prefer to call it as an collaborative commerce or else omni-channel, omni-commerce, because it is not only built for just to sell your product. So this is a one-stop solution for all the jewelers' online needs. Because see, with the recent studies, what says is internet become stronger than ever. And in this 8 month, the internet usage went up by 70%, and the activities in the internet, user activities on the internet went by 93%. It's a tremendous numbers what we are able to see here. The kind of the way how the entire market or the purchase behavior or the user adoption to the technology, how fast, how vigorous it is moving towards the technology, we can sense it. See, the great person said, you wanted to be in the market, be connected with the customer. understand the customer trend, and be always first in it. So that is other point which all of us want to understand, and how to act and adopt the technology is how important for any business. We should understand and we should do that. See, yes, being in a more diverse and vibrant industry, the retail jewelry industry, it have its own challenges in adopting the technology, understanding the technology and adopting the technology in the first place. It may be on business challenges, it may be operational challenges, it may be finding the right technology. Again, it's a very tricky point. So finding the right technology, and a more miserable part here is so always so jewelers will have an impression that to run this kind of an complex technology, we need an high level skill sets to do it. No, that is not true actually. See, by sensing all these things and the gaps in the jewelry market, or the kind of operational challenges what they have, and the kind of business opportunities what they're missing, and the kind of engagement and jeweler customer wants from jeweler on remote or else on the digital platforms, we come up with an one-stop solution. Trust me. See, we are working with top heritage jewelers from last 10 years. So I'm very much thankful to them, helping them in understanding the retail jewelers on the micro level. But with that, with the 10 years of working experience with the top jewelers and 6 years of innovation and development, we have come up with one solution called Listeny. That is an end-to-end solution, end-to-end software for and jeweler for their online needs. So Listeny as a product, it offers so just a small growth story of Listeny, or our Adicware thing. See, we have started the product at 18 months back, and in this 18 months, we have acquired 500 plus client in India alone. We have very good presence in European market and US market as well. And on everyday basis, we are having in 700 plus transactions on our client websites, and on a monthly average, so 30 crore. All these numbers are India alone. I'm not taking international market consideration here. And on a given point of time, 60,000 plus users on our application. So see, these numbers become 3x in last 6 months. Due to this pandemic, all the industries, and especially being in more customer-centric industries, retail jewelry, they understand the importance of technology which plays in their business, and the kind of engagement, or the kind of importance of what they should have on their brand to take it online, or else allowing their end customer to be connected with their brand all the time on the online platforms. So as a Listeny, we offer the 4 services. One, UI UX design based on your brand requirement. We'll shape it out, and we'll put it in a nice way with required, or which meets your brand requirement on the designer aesthetic elements on the online era. And the e-commerce website development and mobile development and digital marketing after taking your website to live, to how to promote your business, how to generate a topic, how to engage the customer, how to generate the sale, how to retarget the customers, and to maintain the major retention ratio. And the e-commerce consulting, because here again, one thing we have observed is so the knowledge gap, what kind of technology they want to use, what kind of future they should have, how they have to represent the content on the online, and how they have to engage with the customers. So to fill up that knowledge gap, we are giving an e-commerce consulting services as well, so that we'll have end-to-end services in one floor. See, these are the core strength, technical strength of Listeny. See, as Sumit mentioned, we are dealing with the clients with corporate presence, I mean international presence, and the guys with a very small store. See, Listeny, how much ever the complex requirement or business requirements are, Listeny enables endless scalability opportunity, and you can extend to an online offline era, and it always ensures the highest performance and the bank grade security for your customer data, your transaction data, your product data. So these are very important. What are the USPs of listening for jewelry industry? See, mainly we have categorized our requirement and our USPs and built all our product and product features that addresses all the needs and all the corners of the jeweler requirements. So in the business print, always we follow the mobile approach because 80% of the customers are connected on the mobile to their businesses or to the online. So our approach will be mainly focused on mobile and omni-channel retailing, because having a website on listing platform is enables 5 or 6 sales sprints, not the one sales sprint on website alone. We have an omni-channel approach that enables the 6 plus sales sprints for a customer data or a customer brand. And more important and very critical for any jewelers to take their website or take their products online for sale, to managing the prices and the price elements and enabling the transparency and accuracy is the biggest challenge. Now we come up with a solution called dynamic pricing, where the entire product breakups, product price or price element, I mean bill of material item, everything will be calculated automatically, no manual intervention. So that logic, again, you can define or else you can go with a generic logic. And the other important one is, see, jewelry retail is not like another retails. We are not able to enable discounts on the total product price, 10% off, 20% off. No, that's not going to happen in jewelry industry. So all we focus on, so 5% off on some selected diamonds, 10% off or 50% off on the making charge, 50% off on the making wastage charges. So this is very unique, and it is available only on a listing platform and proud on that. And here, as Devesh had mentioned in the earlier talk, see, we are moving out of the transactional commerce. It is more of collaborative, engaging, interactive commerce, what customer want from the jeweler. He is not ready to see the images and product details and to place an order. That's not going to happen, because that is where jewelry stands very unique. It is more of assisted selling. It is more of interactive and engaging selling. It is more of the personal selling. To enable that user journey, we have come up with a set of features: build your own jewelry, customize your own jewelry, personalize your own jewelry, and solitaire sell. And moreover, here, see, India is an very preliminary stage in adopting the e-commerce for their businesses, very initial stage. So yes, there are a few verticals which is more adopted. Take it like for an example, smartphone business and electronics. But in specifically jewelry, it is more of the trust issue or more of the assisted selling which drives the entire business. So it is very important to have connected offline and online business always. To connect your online business with your offline store or offline business with online store, we have come up with a few the set of features that is try at home, try at store, virtual try and book an appointment for all the services and jeweler run. And again, the other set of features which is very important, jewelry is not an individual purchase, by the way. So I have to go with lot of suggestions, advice. So as I mentioned, as the jewelry is more of a personal thing, always we wanted to have multiple iterations and the suggestions and the decision process. We come up with an pure set of features which will help you to connect with your personal circle, maybe close friends or colleagues or relatives, to get an advice before making the purchase, or else to the brand, because online always it's remote, it's virtual. If you want someone to be assisted from the brand, then you can directly connect with the brand on the most convenient or preferred way, that is on WhatsApp. And if you want someone on the screen like this to understand the customer thing and to assist in a live way, live video connect. If you want to get into an personal chart on some thing, because it is of high luxury jewelry or this one, you want a personal consultant to be in front of you on the screen where you can talk and you can make a call. So that personal connect. So to connect with the customer, or a brand to connect with customer, or brand customer to connect with brand, we have these set of features for any brand. After launching their website, it is very important to help their customer to know about that brand, website and services and offerings and deal discounts and the kind of collection what you have on the website. So as it is very important, we come up with a more automated approach rather than an push approach. For our all organic things, we come up with a more automated approach, that is automated social sharing, automated content distribution, automated SEO, and automated retargeting, or automated follow-ups. So that enables you to get 5x traffic on the organic front by using this automated way without having an single or else no intervention of your marketing team or the agency. So to support the external services, so we have all the ecosystems in place. So for designer ecosystem integrations and logistic and a payment gateway, all the integrations are made available. You have to just activate that for your website. See, these are all the major points what I wanted to have, what we have on application for jewelry business. And as I mentioned, see, the whole application is built more flexible and more controllable way. There is no such a solution, no such a feature in the solution which is rigid. You can control it. If you want to change the design, change it. Features, change it. Configuration, change it. Workflows, change it. Databases, change it. Which one you want to enable it, disable it. So how complex your requirement is, it is not going to affect seamless operations or else the easy in managing and controlling your website. So this is and digital presence with that automation things we can able to enable your brand made available in each and every corner of the digital world with all the touch point without any manual intervention. System will automatically take care of that. And a few of the e-commerce features. So this is an outline alone, only major features what we have listed here. So let's quickly jump on to the main solution and we'll go through the features what we have discussed. See, as I mentioned.
So I just want to add on something here, Harisha.
Yes,
Is all the people, बहुत सारे ज्वेलर्स ऐसे हैं जो मेरे को कहते हैं यार ये सब ना अच्छा है सुनने में, बट ये करते कैसे हैं और कौन करेगा ये हमारे लिए? हमारे पास तो टीम है ना इतना नॉलेज है, और हम कोई अलग अलग शहर में हैं, एक ही शोरूम है. तो दिस इज वन एग्जांपल ऑफ कंपनी जो they can manage it for you, they can develop it for you, they can help you to do everything, and it is very very simple to go online. तो प्लीज ये डेमो जो अभी ये शुरू कर रहा है ये जरूर देखिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और ये हमें लगता है एज पर रिटेल ज्वेलर रेकमेंड्स की आज ई कॉमर्स के लिए सबसे बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म है आज हमारे देश में. यस हरीशा, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Thanks for that, sir. See, as I mentioned, for jeweler, the main blocker is maintaining the product price and enabling the transparency and enabling the deals and discount on the main details. It is 100% automated, 100% master controlled. So no need to bother about the prices or just to worry about changing metal prices or wastage charges, dependent attribute like making charges, wastage charges whenever metal price changes. So how to change the thousands of product prices and breakups? No, system is here. If the gold price changes now, in next 3 seconds, entire website and these breakups will be changed automatically. No need to worry about that part. And if you want to enable deal discounts on the price elements, yes, if you want to show 100% transparency on the detail, yes, you can go with this approach. You want to go with the minimal details, you can go with the breakups. And so this is a few blockers for any jewelers to go online. And as I mentioned, it is of jewelry or jewelry purchases of more interactive or more engaging what activities will happen on the purchase cycle. For that, we have come up with okay, you like this design, you don't want to go with yellow gold, you want to go with white gold, you want to go with lesser purity, if you have less budget, you want to go with 10 carat, or you want to go with a better carat for 22, or whatever the stone collection. Yes, pick it and automatically price and everything you can see real time.
Yes.
And
And also the color of the ring changes, right? If you make it rose gold, it becomes rose gold, right, Harisha?
yes, sir.
Yes, like
See,
this.
just to have a note, this feature is only made available for the CAD products where they can manufacture with 99.9% accuracy, not for handmade kundan, those jewelries. Okay, so here, what these options, what you are saying, what breakups you are saying, what details you are saying, how it looks like, everything is custom driven, no static. If you want to add the diamond clarity color and this one, add it. If you want a red green color in the color, of course we are not getting that red green and gold, but I'm giving you an example. So all these things you can add it as per your requirement. And build your own jewelry. This is something different. This is only for solitaire. Pick the diamond what you want, pick the design what you want, specify the metal requirement what you have, and place an order. It is all of yours. And to connect with your circle, okay, we have WhatsApp number. Just give their WhatsApp number. All the product data, specification, images, and link will be sent to that customer where they can check and advise you on the purchase.
ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है जहाँ पे ना लोग जब आते हैं आपके शोरूम में और बोलते हैं यार ये तेरे को पसंद आ रहा है या ऑनलाइन देख रहे हैं एंड दे वांट टू टेक द सजेशन ऑफ अ फ्रेंड, या तो कोई अपने दोस्त से लेना चाहते हैं या अपने मदर से बात करना चाहते हैं या अपने सिस्टर से बात करना चाहते हैं, एंड उस टाइम आपका ये फीचर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली का आप मोबाइल नंबर दीजिए और दे कैन कम लाइव एंड गिव सजेशन कि ये रिंग अच्छा है या ये रिंग अच्छा है या आपका ये कुंदन का पीस अच्छा है कि नहीं है. Right, Harisha, that is how it will work.
Right, sir. So on the data or some service after sale clearance, if you need anything to be connected, any assistance or any information with the brand itself, then the more convenient way of chatting is WhatsApp. This is again AI driven. So based on your user behavior on the website, it come up with an auto-populated messages. You just need to send. We are not even bothering customer to type your message. System itself understand and come up with a message. And if you want someone to be on the screen like this to assist, live video shot. So if your salesperson is live, immediately a live video call will enable, and your salesperson comes on the screen and he will assist you the way you wanted. And VIP room, you can schedule a room by giving the details so that your person will made available for your salesperson is more made available for your consulting part. So this is the connecting items what we have on the website that will delivers more engaging than the traditional e-commerce solutions. And one very important thing, see, jewelry is more of a experience product, touch and feel product. Without experiencing the product, so most of the sales won't complete. To enable that virtual experience, even we have an virtual augmented reality or virtual try-on where you can try it on the screen itself. So here we have two modes. You can upload the photo and you can see entire website and website products on your photo, or else you can directly get onto the live. More the clarity, the image, more better the device you use, better the experience. You have one recording which we have done for this one on mobile app version of our augmented reality. See, here, let me play this first. So as jewelry is always experienced in well-dressed or well cosmetic layers, so we have come up with this all these options. You can dress it up however you want, and based on the your skin tone or the facial shape and everything, right? System renders that makeup automatically. If you are not liking that system rendering makeup, you can make the options, and you can pick the products what you want, and you can dress yourself like a bride, and you can pick all the bridal jewelries, and you can make yourself as a bride, and you can share it on the social media, and you can share it on WhatsApp, and all the way however you want. Because see, here we don't wanted to stick with only the augmented reality. We wanted to make them more engaging. All our things are that make them more engaging, deliver that wow experience, so that they can have an considerably good amount. They will spend a considerably good amount of time on your brand or our solution, and they can have that mouth of word will spread across the market. So this is a AR future which will help you to help end customer to experience the product virtually. The next part is connecting the online businesses with the offline store, because see, it is very important and to maintain for any jewelers to enable the online convenience. Online is known for the convenience, but offline is known for the trust. So we wanted to connect both the elements, and we come up with a few set of features for that. That is try at home, try at store, and what the virtual try, and again the service connect, what we call that in our technical terms. Take it like for an example, you like this product. So after multiple iterations, you made a decision. You can shortlist 2 or 3 products, whatever you like, and you can schedule an appointment to the store, come down to your store and experience it, pay the money, takes the product, shortlist online, connect offline.
Yeah, can you get in the gold scheme, please, Harisha?
Sure.
ये एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है गोल्ड स्कीम, क्योंकि हमारे इंडस्ट्री में बहुत यूज होता है, और इनके पास ये पूरा एक सिस्टम है जहां से पूरा ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम है. या कैन वी गो टू द गोल्ड स्कीम?
Yes, sir. See, here not only the gold scheme, so whatever the services and jewelry running at their store, they can bring all the services on online. In that, one service is gold scheme, where you can configure the gold schemes. So based on your backend configuration, so end customer can see that gold schemes in the front end. You can pick the whatever the scheme you want, and you can make a minimal payment. What is a minimal amount? You can give the minimal amount as well, and nominee details, and what details you have to capture against each gold scheme. Again, it's business card. Again, you can enable. So parallel to this gold scheme plan, few people asked to collect the address, few people asked to collect some proofs, so Aadhaar card or whatever, and the nominee details. Again, this is all configurable. After enabling, after selecting the scheme and doing these payments, right? So your plan will be created and your plan will be shown here. You can have multiple plans on same account, and for each plan, what is the plan, what is the amount you have paid, how many months you have paid, how many months yet to pay, what is the total amount you have paid, what is the total benefit you are getting, and moreover, the follow-ups for EMI payments. The system has the default automated follow-ups, like how you're gonna get follow-up emails and SMSs for your credit card bill. So all the same way the follow-up system is enabled here. And if you want to redeem once your plan is matured, in place of active, you can see the matured. Then you can use that plan to purchase the product on what website itself. So it's an services part of what we have here. And so as I mentioned, so on above all the futures, very important is the marketing part, or enabling your brand available in each and every customer touch points is very important to have more traffic and more sale and more engagement. See, let me take you through the admin panel where you are going to have complete control. To set up a website and to manage and control your website, no special skill sets are required. If you have basic computer operating knowledge, that is more than enough to manage your entire website seamlessly. No barriers, no special skill set required, nothing. It's all UI driven. So this is the place where you are going to have a complete control on it, and each and everything is enterprise built. That means end to end foolproof. If I want to have order to be managed, end to end is automated, from courier integration, courier appointment booking, and courier pickup, and dispatch and track, and the communication. Everything is automated, and invoicing and invoice filings. Everything is automated. So end to end automated, because we don't want it to give any loopholes where customer will end with a confusion or else reconciliation issues. No, everything is automated, everything is integrated. And in the marketing part, as I mentioned, so take it like for an example, I wanted to launch some offer for today. Okay, so let me take dynamic pricing up. I'm taking making charge up, making charge up. I'll take 50% off. Okay, deal description test priority 1, and you can select all the products category wise, subcategory wise, brand wise, product wise, collection wise. You can take all the products for now, and you can select when that product or that offer should start, when should it end, and activate and save. See, as soon as I save this thing, the 50% waste off on making charges, it will be activated on the website. Make all your customers know about that 50% off. After saving, automatically it brings you here. Okay, well, 50% off on making charges live on your website. You want to share it on the social media, select all, share. All your social media will be updated. You want to send an SMS to all your customer base, select the customer list. If you have a new list, upload in Excel and give the SMS, send. WhatsApp, the same way. Email, so all the templates are in place, change the information, select the list and send. See, normally after launching any website, right, any digital marketing team will take minimum to minimum 1 day to do all these activities. As it is integrated and automated, it takes like max 5 minutes or 10 minutes. See, this is the approach what we have took. So make
Harisha,
it.
can you go to the costings now? The costings.
Sure, sir.
I think they've understood this now.
Yes. And before that, one point I wanted to mention here. See, as I mentioned that omni-channel businesses, once your website is live on our application, your website is live on Google Business, Facebook Business, Pinterest Business, and app and local interface as well, local dictionary interfaces as well. And the integration, we have all the integration in place. No need to bother about. ERPs, we are supporting API integration, web service call integration, REST integration, SOAP integration, FTP integration, scheduler integrations. So that means we are open to work with or connect with any application. So let me go back to the part. See, even after seeing all these features and the strength of the product, right? We wanted to keep the solution more affordable. We wanted to.
Yes.
We wanted our solution to be available for all the customers. We have 4 plans here. Starter plan, only you are bothered about the web presence, go with the starter plan, select the default team, take your website live in 2 days.
And
They
it
have to have,
is only for 50,000 rupees, right?
yeah, 50,000 rupees and monthly hosting servers and support, technical support, 4,000 rupees in starter plan. In the gold plan, your main business is focused in gold business, then go with the gold plan where you will get all the features which you wanted to run your business, customer engagement, offline, online connect, service enablement, and everything. That comes with your own brand design. It is not a default design. It is own your brand design will be delivered as per your requirement. And that starts from 1 lakh rupees one-time development cost and 8,000 rupees monthly. Diamond. So this it's a fully loaded solution where you have end-to-end application, what the features and the application access. This starts from 1,50,000 rupees and monthly 12,000 rupees. And enterprise, it is you are the one who are gonna decide what you wanted to have. Apart from all our website, all our services, our features and everything, right? You can tell us what you want. We'll develop and we'll deliver the code. It is on
Thank you. Yes, Harisha, understood. Thank you very much. We'll share this with all the people who are participating. Devesh, can we have a summarizing of this presentation?
I think it's all about technology, and I'd spent quite a good amount of time with Harisha to understand how the entire platform works. And I recommend everyone who is interested to go online, especially on social and e-commerce. They must go with the complete presentation. I think what Harisha has spoken is about 10% of the features. But once they go through completely, I believe is a plug and play kind of platform which is available, and you don't require any technical expertise to start an e-commerce. I think that is expertise what Harisha is bringing on the table. So we have seen many jewelers who struggle with the local developer. Can you develop my website? I think you don't need to waste your time, and you can just plug and play. Within 7 days, your e-commerce website can go on. Only thing you need to shoot the right picture. And I think the kind of features what this platform has. So everyone question, customer can see the product, can come and buy in the stores. Yes, all the things which you can ever think about it, options, everything is available here. So I think today for any jewelers to come out from that street, catchment or a city, I think you have to go on an e-commerce. And I think what Harisha has presented is about social e-commerce, where you can sell the product from all the social platforms as well as on the digital platforms. I think it's one of the fantastic product, whether people go for this or anything else, but I recommend at least go and see the demo. And today, to reach to your customers, talk about your brand, product, philosophy, services, I think you have to have a digital platform. And if you have a small team, if you have a small investment, you cannot build. I think you have such kind of companies like Listening is available a platform which you can use it like a plug and play. But today you can't say that, okay, I'm not there on the e-commerce. It's not necessary that you need to have a 3,000 product. Even if you have a 300 product or 100 product, where you are offering the complete store experience, you talk about the brand philosophy and the expertise, I think that is also more than enough to start with.
Great. Now I come to Meghna and Vinny on pricing, because that is one two questions which are coming up, Meghna, again and again. So we have Harshita Sabu from P. Manoharlal Luxury Jewelers, Hyderabad, asking you, with respect to high-end jewelry and digital platforms, how to reach the brand level without touch and feel and selling high-end jewelry, and how much does Mirar cost to implement with our thing? Also the same with Uday Sanghi and Achyutatanda Meher and Vishal Bamalwa. How to attract men and younger generation towards jewelry using Mirar?
So firstly, Mirar can be started, for as less as 0 rupees. So you can start a premium without paying any cost. Once you start paying, you can start with as less as 5,000 rupees a month. And that goes on to 2 lakh rupees a month, depending on the number of SKUs that you have. So, because here we are talking about digital vault. आप अपने स्टोर में जो ज्वेलरी अगर आप 50 किलो स्टोर करेंगे तो आपको बड़ा स्पेस चाहिएगा, राइट? Similarly, if you have to digitize inventory and put it in Mirar, so the more number of SKUs, the more the cost. But to start with, you can do it with something as low as 5,000 rupees a month. But as I said, give it a shot, give it a try, and you can start it for free.
Okay, now coming to Vinny, there are a lot of people now interested in your training. In our poll, if you see, people are all going, 94% people want to start online training for today's thing. 86% want to take the Mirar app, and 75% Adecure technology also they want to adapt to. So a very, very high percentage of people is interested in that. So Vinny, you have a special offer running for the webinar today. Can you please share on how can people register for the training?
Great. Yeah, I can't wait to hear from all the 94%. But the special offer was actually a recommendation by Samit and Divyesh. So thank you for the suggestion from my end as well. So upwards of 25 logins, essentially, your cost is going to come to 6,000 rupees per login. So per employee of yours that's taking the cost will be 6,000. And thanks to the discussion we had earlier on today, what we're doing is for the next 72 hours for the webinar, we're doing a special discount of 15%. So I understand today's a Saturday and Sunday and everyone should be relaxing and chilling with their families. But Monday, wake up and take a call and think for your families at work, which is your teams. Yeah, you're getting a 15% further off on the 6,000 per login.
Great. And we'll be sharing all the details at the webinar in the next 5 minutes. Meeta is going to share all the numbers of all the people here and their email IDs as well. So you can write to them directly and contact them. Also, we will be sharing all participants' data with all the 3 organizations. So they will get in touch with you directly. Divesh, I come to you with this question from Mohit Kumar Goel, Belgi Diamonds from New Delhi. He's asking, what measures should be taken in logistics parts so that the customer cannot misappropriate the delivery of the jewelry?
I think nowadays many secure logistics services are there in India. Other than couple of them we use normally general transit. I think you need to have a separate agreement for these high value transactions. And I've seen that they are reasonably taking care of all those things. But of course, you must ensure all your transit before you ship it. A company like Blue Dart, they have a high value secure logistics services. Of course, there are limited pin codes are there, but they provide the complete end-to-end solution with the full security. So you will not fall in any kind of situation where either your customers are complaining.
Great, great. And I come to you, Meghna. This is a question coming from Uday Sanghi from Sanghi Jewelers, Hyderabad. They are the largest colored gemstone jewelry manufacturers for the last 45 years. He's asking you, as a manufacturer, how can you make sure that a retailer adapts to various online technologies used by manufacturers, and how can they use Mirar at a B2B level?
So at Mirar, we are already working with some of the very popular big manufacturers. We are working with Vasupati Jewelers. We've also started working with Kamashatter and a couple of more. So you can digitize your entire inventory through Mirar, and through just one link, you will be able to sell it to all your retailers. So what happens is, in an ideal scenario before this lockdown, the way manufacturer would present or show the new designs to retailers was either an exhibition or a one-on-one meetings. Abhi kyunki kuch nahi ho raha hai, this is what we found as a blessing in disguise for sharing inventory. So all the manufacturers out there, आप अपनी सारी इन्वेंट्री डिजिटाइज करके जब मिरार के प्लेटफॉर्म पे डालोगे, देयर इज अ मैन्युफैक्चरर ऐप दैट वी हैव, इट्स अ डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म दैट वी हैव, एंड थ्रू दैट यू कैन शेयर इट विद ऑल योर रिटेलर्स इन वन गो. उससे क्या होगा, वन इज इन्वेंट्री मूवमेंट इज गोइंग टू बी मच फास्टर. प्लस इससे पहले कि मतलब कौन से रिटेलर को कौन सी ज्वेलरी चाहिए या व्हाट दे आर बाइंग कैन बी मच क्विकर व्हेन यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. सो यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी एंड आई विल शेयर विद यू द बिजनेस ऐप वर्जन दैट वी हैव.
Great. Thank you, Meghna. Coming to you, Harisha, there is a question from Francis De Costa from Tribhuvan Das Bhimji, Zaveri, Mumbai. There are three, and there's Anish Mehta also from Shaze. They both are asking, one of them is asking, share the best practices of technology upgradation for a jewelry store. And how do you believe, what do you believe is the single most important and must-have technology tool for enhancing customer engagement in jewelry? Harisha.
As I mentioned earlier, sir, in jewelry retail, the only thing works well, and the only point of what the jewelry online, the landmark site which is missing is assistant selling. The assistant selling is the only important part which makes sense in the numbers. I mean, business number. That is very important. That is all the technologies which is helping you to sell your products online on the assisted way. That is very important, where you have to look into, and you have to have on board for your brand. That is only one important part. And yes, technology makes a very crucial decision making aspect in few years,
Okay,
like
great.
5 to 6 years.
Thank you. And Nikhil Kedia from Mumbai is asking, what will be the percentage of online jewelry sales by 2025? Meghna and Divesh, if you can, because you guys are into this, into a lot of research and a lot of discussions on this. So what do you think will it be, by 2025?
So we have seen a substantial growth when it comes to online sales when a person start using augmented reality as a tool. And I'll give you that as an example because I have number for that. And we have seen a growth of 37% conversion that is increased. So when you start using AR as a technology, and when people are virtually able to see themselves, the chances of them buying it is much higher. So I feel currently the online sales is not as high only because customer miss that look and feel and how big or small it is going to be. Another number that we have been able to track is reduction in return rates. So the biggest challenge in online shopping is आपको समझ नहीं आएगा jewelry कितना बड़ा या छोटा है. So if there is a ring, you will never know whether it will come big or small on your face. But with the power of augmented reality, you will be able to see it. And that is when return rates have reduced by 32%. So these numbers and engagement on websites with the use of Mirar has increased to 168%. So these numbers tell us that how online shopping is going to be a boom.
Great. Divesh, can you?
Yeah, I think what Meghna said, I'll add further that as numbers, what Harisa was talking about, 80% and 90% growth. So if you look at from an omni-channel perspective, I think it's going to increase in a multifold. People may discover you, may like your product on e-commerce digital platform, and they can come and shop from your stores. They can ask for other services like try it home. But your engaged platform like Mirar, augmented reality, using augmented reality, I think you will be able to make you sure that your customer selects your product. And it is definitely is going to help in multifold, especially for all the retailers. And jewelry, because of this lockdown, people couldn't able to go out. I think people has started learning that how to select the jewelry online. You might not see the increase in number of transactions, but yes, selection is increased after lockdown. People has visited the same brand to buy the jewelry. So if you look at from an omni-channel perspective, I think it's going to increase in a multifold.
So I was saying, I also wanted to add that it differs from different jewelers to jewelers. So for example, if it is an e-commerce, then the call to action is buy now, and the focus is going to be on sales. But for example, when it is a website which is more experiential and the call to action is inquiry, then the person will see that how AR is converted to leads. And I think that is a differentiator, and that's like a fine line. So as an example, when I mentioned about Saket from Ratnalaya, yesterday he told me that, his is a more of a catalog website. When he introduced Mirar, he immediately saw every day, suddenly there were a lot of people on his website. And he said, I had no idea where they are coming from. So every day, 250, 300 people coming, engaging, inquiring. So, it totally differs from jewelers to jewelers and their needs. And I think, it needs to be tailored accordingly. Yeah.
Great. Thank you. Harisha, this question is to you. What is the price barrier for online sales of fine jewelry in urban India? This is being asked by Atul Jain of Atul Jewelers, New Delhi.
Now, so with the data of 7 years, what we have, the major moving parts, moving up the price ranges from 10,000 to 1.2 lakh. Okay. Still, we have certain transactions which is like 1.7 crore. So that's again, so it is not an what organic driven sale. It is some of influential sale what happened. But anything between 10,000 and till 1.2 lakh still you may expect. And mainly the entry level products, which mainly it's the trend or the young professionals that designs will move well.
Okay, we have another 10 minutes because we are now running way past our time. But I still have we have like more than 100 questions coming in. But I'll just take one or two so that we can. One of the questions is, what are the best promotional methods for a jewelry e-commerce website? This is being asked by Rahul Bamalwa from Kolkata, from Nemichand Bamalwa and Sons. Jay.
So the best way is social media.
Okay, Meghna and Devesh, you can also please join in on this question. Huh?
Because see, as we all are discussing on the single word, the community commerce. So all the communities are built on that platforms. All are connected there. And moreover, if anything comes to my personal and the leisure time, that is where the people will spend their time. So that is more effective than the push marketing, like ad marketing or else the video marketing, whatever.
Meghna and Devesh, please.
Immersive technology has been taken over, and even the utilization of social media. So if you see recently, there are so many filters that people are creating on their own. And these filters are all, so, currently our backdrops are these beautiful retail jewelers banners, right? That gives a personal touch to this webinar, right? Because anyone who sees immediately knows that this is a retail jeweler webinar. Similarly, if you are creating as a jeweler, if you go one step ahead, and even when you are, and I'm sure everyone is on Instagram and Facebook now. So if you create these filters and banners with AR, I think that also adds a lot to the engagement, and that's going to help you in a long run.
So I think based on the experience what I had, I would believe that there is not a single, not only one platform. I believe that consumers touchpoints are at many platforms. What is important that you never treat your digital communication like a yellow page, like you keep uploading your product pictures. It has to have a story. It has to have a correct connect. Unless you don't speak about the story and unless you don't connect people on the platform of any social media or any other places, people will not engage with the brand. So I think please don't treat any social media promotion or any promotion like a yellow page where you are putting the pictures of the product and you believe that the customer will like it. Today's content is becoming a key. So content is very, very critical. And unless you don't have a right content, even any digital platform will not help you to reach out to your customers.
Great, great, great. Thank you very much. And just the final bit is this. He's asking from a little bit, about the overall industry. Mr. Deepak Shah from Gharani Jewelers, Ahmedabad. He's asking what is the future of the industry. Then we have Aman Talla from Talla Jewelers, Jammu. He's asking how to increase sales by 3x. Prakash and Shweta Dhanak from Vijay Exports, Mumbai is asking kindly explain the best use of technology to increase sales by threefolds. The topic of the session was how to use technology and training to improve customer engagement by 3 times. But we are getting a lot of questions on how to increase online and physical sales by 3 times. This is one, I think, will be a final question because we have just another 4-5 minutes left. So Divesh, if you can go, and then Meghna.
I think nobody should worry about that whether our kind of future will be there for the gems and jewelry industry. I think the whole world is bullish on India. Looking at the younger population, more weddings, and we know that industry's major demand drivers are wedding. And the more weddings will happen, automatically the sales will increase. But what is critical that are you going to be relevant to the new generation as a brand, as a product offering, as an experience, or as your brand visibility on any technology-based platform or any platform? I think those are important. If you remain relevant, you're going to grow. If you are not relevant, then I think as somebody, people has to look at their own strategy. But being relevant is the most critical thing. And to be relevant, I think, thank you, Samit ji, for making this platform, that how to become relevant, either using social e-commerce or training or a augmented reality platform. I think everyone is talking about that. Be with the customer, give them an experience. Whatever you do, I think that should help you to engage, because every satisfied customer will bring more 10 customers. So I think when you're speaking about threefold, I would say it can go to a 10-fold once you start satisfying your customer on all the touch points.
Meghna, if you can add to that.
So I feel, as you mentioned, what's the future? Technology it is. So I think the time has come when we start small, but start. The use of internet, this is the best time that we can use it in the best way. So yeah, I think going online is extremely important. Having great presence on social media, as Devesh said, great content is absolutely important. So we have seen how. So, just as an example, I was recently a panelist at ARVR Global Summit. And before the panel, this director, he told me upfront saying, hey, your content needs to step up. And we took it as such a positive approach. And when we started making good content, we realized how things changed at an international level. So I think that everyone should start focusing and investing on good content, technology, and do not underestimate the power of online. So yeah, I think that's it.
Harisha and Vinny also, please.
Yeah, just to give an inch, let me give realistic numbers 8 months back and now. See, numbers may look a little, but it is tremendous and change makers, what I can say. Now, the jewelry retail percentage is 0.3%. Online contribution to the real jewelry retail thing is 0.3%. That 0.3% become 0.9% in this 8 months. That means 2 polls. See, here we can see, as the Divesh mentioned, to achieve that 3x sale, all you have to do is be available in each and every customer touch point. If you are only having a physical presence, it won't help. It may help in the current times, but in future, customers are moving. When customers are taking the shift, it is business to take a call to take a shift.
Great. Thank you. Vinny, I know you're new, but in the jewelry industry, but still, what's your feel?
Well, I think for any industry today, the one prime driving factor is trust. And I know some of the attendees asked about customer engagement and how to drive sales. I think to me today, again, I bring it down to only 3 core pillars: the know, like, trust. Your advertising, your availability, your visibility is all about the know, how beautifully you appear is the like. The trust will come from regular content, as Devesh said, as Meghna said, that you'll have to relate to the brand. And the relational selling doesn't happen only at the store or on the website. It happens by you showing that you care about people, that you care to contribute beyond just doing numbers. And that factor is what's going to drive your trust, and trust will drive the sales. So I know it seems like a journey, but today it's no longer, I come across the counter and say, hey, I want to buy something worth so and so, and come on, bring it back to me. You will have to build the trust, and everyone's jumped on that bandwagon. So whoever doesn't might get left behind. So I'll just sum it up with what everyone said. And I think you got it bang on, that engagement is going to drive a lot of awareness, a lot of goodwill, and a lot of trust. And that's when sales start to come up. And that's a more sustainable way to move forward.
Okay, great. There was one question which I know that we can't answer, but I'll just summarize in this. Mr. Isaac Anthony had asked from one of the very tier 3 cities in South India, I think from Ernakulam, that, what do you think about our customers changing? Do you think in a city like Ernakulam, people will be using e-commerce or not? I want to just summarize this by saying one conversation which I had about 3 months back with Kirtana Gandhi. She's the young entrepreneur who has taken over the business in Vaibhav Jewelers in Telangana. In Telangana, they have 8 stores. In Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, they have 7 stores. And in Telangana, they have 3 stores. She's based in Vijayawada. And she was telling me that they started e-commerce about 2 years back. And today, the entire e-commerce business is as good as one of their stores. And she was saying that it is not only people from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana who are buying my jewelry. I'm surprised that I'm getting buyers not only from India, but I'm getting buyers from all over the world. So you can imagine if a person or jeweler from Vijayawada can do this. See, the world is a huge place for all of us. Whoever is attending today, whichever city or town you're from, don't think that, it's on your catchment is only Ernakulam or Madurai or Jammu or Nagpur or Mumbai. It is the world, and you never know from where your people will come from. And I agree with Devesh and Meghna and Harisha and Vinny that, content is king. It is no more about just, having great products and every day doing products, but also how do you do the content marketing? How do you tell the story about your content, about your store, about your own company? What all can you do will make an impact, because people have moved already online, and some big pieces are also selling. And as Harisha pointed out, that between 10,000 and 1.2 lakhs is the sweet spot. Nobody thought that, a 1 lakh piece will sell online maybe 2 years back, but it is happening rapidly. So please go online, and I hope that this session has really helped you all. We will be sharing all the participant and the panelist personal email IDs, mobile numbers, their company and organization mobile their contact details, their website, how you can get in touch, their special offers. With Vinny has a special offer for 72 hours. Meghna has a lifetime offer, a special offer which is going on, the freemium. Harisha has a very good offer which is going on. So they are all 3 of them are here. और जो मेरे को इतने साल से लोग 10 साल 15 साल 20 साल से मैं इंडस्ट्री में एक ही चीज बोलते थे, और अब तो और ज्यादा बोलते हैं कि समीत जी यार आप ना बहुत अच्छे फोरम करते हो, बट ये बताओ कि हमारा ये काम कौन करेगा. So I think we have answered that question today. We have got people who can help you starting within the next 24 hours. So please contact them and make use of their amazing talent and their organization skills. And thank you for participating today. And the last call on the polling is very, very nice. It is 87% wants to adopt the AR technology for Mirar, 92% to take on online training of your staff and with Go Lead the Future training program, and 77% would like to begin their e-commerce with adequate technology in taking their business to the next level. So thank you very much for participating. Thanks to all the panelists. Thank you for the time. Vinny, Meghna, Devesh, Harisha, thank you very much for taking so much time out of your busy schedules and preparing so well and presenting so well. Thank you very much, and we look forward to another session very soon, maybe in the next quarter, to see results.
Thank you, Samit ji, and thank you so much for all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.